Why this autopilot drawer is the greatest of all times. Generally speaking, when someone gets a set of ideas or ideologies, majority of the people think this is not going to happen. We have seen many that ages replaced and that ideas got outdated with time. Society behaves as such. When they find some idea superior, they say we are totally comfortable with it, and you may have seen some people safeguarding it. What I am saying is humans have something always better. When money came, they said, oh, this is good. We can have an abundance of rewards in the form of cash, which can satisfy all our needs. When 21st century political science began to manifest in the form of modern developmentally advanced institutions, they said, we are going to benefit out of these. When the Great Depression of 1929 struck almost all countries, people began to distrust money. This incident is not limited to the 20th century only. Shortages of money, resources, exploitation are companion of the people. People believe that they have to do something mental and material efforts for success. It was actually a construct of the modern giants. During wars, innocent people are getting killed. That means reality of the people was set by one who directed the construct. Many people say it was Western or American intellectuals has initiated those shift and construct all over the world. Some point it into West Asian, Arab religious fundamental scholars. That means modern intellectual shift or construct not belong to Greek, Roman scholars. These are actually modern people borrowed from European American scholars. Indian scholar contribution are actually few when compared to the Western contributions. All modern disciplines and systems borrowed from these Western intellectuals. Their hidden agenda was to rule the political, economical, cultural, religious evolution. At this juncture or junction, even the Indian intellectuals doubt about these Western intellectual manipulations. If you see clearly, think about a situation in which you have nothing and you are standing on someone else's borrowings. This was the serious dilemma and fear got affected to old third world politicians as well as new third world politicians. Because those biases cannot be ignored. When a pandemic affects, or say a chance of global conflict arises, these third world goes for borrowings from the wealthy nations. Is this an intelligently biased concept or liberal distributions? This is the coding of destructive construct. That may be within those standards, out of fear of aggression, some may say. This is where amism construct provides a safe relief for third world. You can't blame India only. So far all these third world, they can't succeed with the past democratic construct. I'm not listing all those drawbacks. This is where amism ideology stands different. It says because energy cannot be destroyed in closed systems, humans have an option for peaceful, comparatively a better life, at least avoiding those destructive construct. Remember, not all Western intellectual ideas are destructive. Cyclically moving energies, arranged in extreme pressure polarities, can work in autopilot. It's applicable to everything. When humans are pressurized, they does tasks immediately. Similarly, an energy apparatus taking humans into amism world. We only need energies to survive. Humans have to be completely made free from work pressures and lack of anything, through intellectually drafted arrangements. Energies of polarities are everywhere all around the universes. The main drawback to this arrangements is we need to apply energy for creating those polarities. Energies are available in the form of radiations, photons, etc. This has to be trained. In political world also this is happening. People with higher energies have rule over people with comparatively lesser energy individuals. That means humans can move to generation Z only through arranging those energy polarities. The numerous the energy polarities, that much advanced will be the civilizations. Don't think that this is copy from some fiction imaginary cinemas. This is the only way for amism autopilot.